What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about a little problem with the Jeep Liberty. Um, it's kind of a well-known thing, but the joke is that you pretty much always just have tape holding up your window. I would say that these regulators break on average every 6 months, and there's 4 of them. So that means you're going to end up changing window regulators more often than you change your oil. Removing your regulators is pretty straightforward. The door panel's pretty much just held on by 2 screws and about a dozen plastic clips, and the regulator itself is 6 10mm bolts. So all you need to disassemble it is a 10mm socket, a Phillips head, and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so after tearing this thing apart and investigating a little bit, this one little piece of plastic right here is all that's holding your window. This cable slides in right there, and if you try to overextend your window rolling it up, it rips the cable out. Just shitty plastic engineering decisions. It really makes me wonder if I can't make something better. As with most projects like this, I prefer to work with Fusion 360, but go ahead and pick your poison if you've got a software you prefer to use more. The CNC router I'm using for this project is a little 3018 desktop CNC machine. It's been heavily modified to be able to do this. If you're interested in learning how to build your own, Eric Inventor has a awesome video on how to go about doing that. I'll put a link to his video down in the description.
One eternity later.
So here's what I was able to come up with. My trusty calipers here, and measured out the broken piece from the stock rail, and basically designed a test piece. This is just out of PLA, nothing special, just wanted to make sure that everything fit and worked. And from there, I made this one. It's got 100% infill. It's made out of polycarbonate, but I thought, why not take it another step further? And I milled this out of aluminum, just a solid piece of billet. Took about 20 hours. Would I recommend anybody do this? Absolutely not. It's cheaper to buy another window regulator. And while I was working on the project, I found that there's a company that sells repair kits for something like $20. And so 20 hours worth of machining on my little desktop mill, it's just not worth it. But it made a fun project, so. I'm gonna go ahead and put some affiliate links in the description of any of the materials and tools that I used, in case you guys want to attempt a project like this yourself. It won't cost you guys anything extra to use those links, but it will help support me as a new creator. Another thing that I did right here off camera is I put some lube on this rail, because now it's metal on metal instead of plastic on metal. I think the best part about getting this project done is I get to scrape off tape residue from my window for the very last time. Now only 3 more windows to go. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.